Aaron Palushai, the University of Michigan.
Blake Jeffrion, University of Wisconsin.
Hi, I'm Brendan Nash, Cornell University.
Louis LeBlanc, Harvard University.
Oh, that's 2 out of 3.
Yeah, but you got to do rock, paper, scissors,
out of 3.
shoot, by the way.
What do you mean? We did the same thing the whole time.
The first one.
Winner, point, chalk it up.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. And then you shoot it.
Yeah. That's the 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes. Okay, that's 1.
1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2.
Now last event.